everybody, Justin Worden. You're watching What's New in Electronics. It is day 3, the final day of SMTA International in Chicago, Illinois. I'm with Cassandra from Actnano. How are you today?
Pretty good, pretty good. Excited for this last day.
Yeah, it's good energy. People are here. We like it. Everyone's excited to be back in Chicago, which is also great for Actnano because you have a lot of team here in Chicago.
We do. Some of our executive team is based here, and it was great because they were able to come down for some of the expo this week and to get a chance to talk to different customers and some of our partners, which was wonderful.
Yeah, I don't think they would have came if we knew or if they knew they were going to go on camera.
Probably not, but somehow you managed it.
So this is great. You're kind of like the last piece of the puzzle. I've had the opportunity to interview pretty much everyone at Actnano. Through Rocket Solutions, we have a very good working relationship. We like working with you, but you're a little different. You're more on the technology side, not the sales side. So let's talk a little bit about your role.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm our VP of Technology and Sustainability, and really that first part is what we can talk about today, right? Our company is technology-led, and what I do is I take everything our product development team has made, and we implement it with our customers. So we are there from the beginning, where we prototype with our customers all the way through to actually supporting their mass production, everything.
Yeah, I think the reason I had such a good connection with Actnano is I appreciate the disruptor. And that is what Actnano is. I interviewed your COO, Jim Sheridan, yesterday, and that's the word he used too. You guys are a disruptor. And when you are a disruptor, that puts a lot of pressure on the technology piece, right?
Absolutely.
Or the technical piece, right? Because one thing you do that I think is very beneficial to the customer is when you're bringing a new product, it's something they're not used to. It's a different process. So the wall goes up, like, it's not how I've done it. But you actually allow them to send the boards to you, and you'll take care of all that. So explain how that works.
Yeah, so this is a free service we provide. We engage with customers. They want to see with a startup, we have to prove our worth, right? So we allow them to send their PCBAs to us. We develop a coding protection strategy. We do the work to do that, and we send it back for testing. Sometimes we do the testing ourselves. It really depends on what the customer is looking for. But we try and reduce whatever barrier is possible for them to get confidence in our material. So that's what we do.
Another very unique feature of the Actnano is that it can be used in any piece of equipment.
Oh, that's right. I mean, when we talk about disruption, it's disruption in the way people think about protecting PCBAs. It's not a disruption in what factories do on a day-to-day basis. So our innovation was meant to be a drop-in. Right? We wanted them to be able to use whatever equipment they already had on site with maybe just slight valve modifications, and that's it. So the barrier to entry should be low when it comes from a factory perspective, and then we wanted to make their lives easier. The technology was supposed to make it easier and safer for the workers on the actual manufacturing line. So we had them in mind with our technology.
And the feature that I think so many people love and not enough people are appreciating yet is the fact that you can coat the entire board.
That's right. It's not only just the top of the board and top of components, it's also underneath and giving you protection in that 3D type of way. And that's just different. That's when we say disruption. Nobody's going to think that that is possible. They're going to consistently be thinking of keep outs and all of these challenges in manufacturing where you get material where it shouldn't be. Our material can go everywhere, so it doesn't matter.
Well, I think what we need to do is really make sure that people understand the free service. So I really want to come back to that again. So let's just highlight that one more time. If I am someone that is thinking about switching or qualifying with Actnano, how do I get that process started?
So once you engage with us in any way, so this can be through our sales team and through our technical services team, we're going to present that right away. Sometimes you're sending samples to us. Sometimes we're coming to you into your factory and helping you implement things. When we talk about free services, it's not just the PCBA coding strategy and that one round of sampling. It's everything from coming in, helping train, helping you as mass production gets kicked off. We take all of that work onto ourselves to make it as easy as possible for you.
You did a really good answer on that question. That was a very good answer. How can people get a hold of you?
So actnano.com is the best way to get in touch with anybody. And of course, my information as well, Cassandra Zentner, you can find me as well.
Actnano, the new vision of conformal coding. It's a disruptor, but it makes everything easier. Thank you so much, Cassandra.
All right, thank you.